Today is January 4th, 2025. I have boot into my fresh copy of the vanilla pup 64 you see here, and I've just installed a simple screen recorder so I can record this, and cleaned up the desktop pretty much, but otherwise it's a fresh install. And I'm gonna talk to you about how to install and use Firefox, just mainly downloading and install Firefox and PuppyLInux. So obviously the first thing you can do in any particular PuppyLInux is just to look at the menu and then go down to internet, and this has a Firefox ESR already installed, but I prefer ESR is mainly for corporation and large company environment. There's a minimal difference, but I prefer just mainline Firefox. So depending on the particular PuppyLInux, what I'm going to show you may or may not work to launch the Firefox browser and use properly. But besides already being installed, you can always go to Puppy Package Manager or apt terminal command. apt can be used in some PuppyLInux, and you can also use the graphic package manager, synaptic, or in voidpup 64, which I think is very good. The VPM terminal command with the I to install works very well. So then next thing I usually do is just go to the Firefox website directly. So you can just go ahead, and I put a link here, and then I just go ahead and copy, and then we'll go to another desktop, and then we know we have a Firefox ESR installed, so we can go ahead and do that and launch it. And then we're gonna go ahead and copy the site. So what I did is actually just show you. Control L brings up the window here, and Control V to paste the what I had copied just now. So then it's going to go to this site. So you can just go to the Firefox recommended. So it's recommended Firefox here. So there's several choices, and then for 64-bit is here, Linux 64-bit, and then English, and then so it's just reminding that Debian or Ubuntu, you can also use deb.deb, but we're just gonna download now. So it's downloading now, and it's downloaded already. So we can go ahead and fire up the download before. So we'll just go ahead and work with this. We'll just go ahead and right click on it, and then p extract, and then extract. So it extracts the files. So just give it a minute, and here's the file folder, I should say. And then you can click, and then there should be Firefox here, so you can just go ahead and click on it, and now it's a regular Firefox. That so this happens to be the latest edition, because you got it directly from the website, and this version actually works. in vanilla depup. So let's see, choose what I share, and then we can just go to www.google. Okay, it just crashed. Okay, so we're gonna so now we're in the folder, and we'll go ahead and fire up the Firefox, and then set as a default, don't ask. So, and then let's say we can go to google.com. So probably restore this. We can get your tab crashed. Okay, restore this tab, close tab. So let's just do it again, restore this tab and close. So it's crashing. So let me just go ahead and continue with this. So it's causing some problems. So what we can do is just go ahead and you may still be able to get this to work, but because of time and video, we'll just go ahead and give up on this. So rather than using it in the download folder, for example, this is the folder you want to have it in a particular so the way I do it, and I think this general recommendation is that you go ahead and open the rocks and go to OPT folder. So OPT, and generally speaking, you want to use this to move this whole program here, for example, and then go ahead and trigger with a Firefox command, or you can go ahead and symlink it to USR bin. So let me just show you. So USR bin. So you can go ahead and put a so you may have a Firefox in here because it's ESR, so it has a Firefox in it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and delete it. So we'll go to here, Firefox. We're going to right click and then delete, and then OK. And then what you want to do is once you find out this works, is that you want to drag this Firefox here, and then I would just go ahead and link it relative. Okay, that way when you just give it a command of a terminal command of Firefox, altf2 lx terminal Firefox. So it's going to open this new, the latest of Firefox. But that's assuming that this works. Let's go to the help, and then let's about Firefox. This is 133.03. This is the main Firefox, not ESR. So that's apparently what I would recommend that you do it if you find this works for you. Okay, and let me go back to the another way of lifts. So that's you get the latest latest working Firefox is that. And then next is portable Firefox packages work generally very well in PuppyLInux. So here's a link that I made for you, and then we'll copy it, and then we'll go to this, and then see if we can go ahead and fire up the Firefox again. So this is most likely a ESR, Firefox ESR, but we're just gonna Control V just to paste. And then one of the PuppyLInux forum member, Mike Walsh, have spent a lot of time and effort in making portable application. Portable applications are mainly for PuppyLInux system, and it also contains a configuration information within it once you get it all set up. So you can we'll go to Firefox. It also has a Chrome and Pale Moon and so on. So, but we're looking for Firefox here in 64-bit. And then ESR is mainly for companies and so on. Mainline is what you want. Double click, and then we want to go ahead and download, standard download. So we'll just go ahead and download it now. So it's pretty fast. I'm on an Ethernet, so it's downloaded already. So we'll go to rocks, and then minus, and then downloads, and here's a portable. So we're just gonna delete that. That's the website, Firefox website. So here's the portable package we just downloaded. So we'll just right click on it. We'll go to P extract. We'll extract it right here. And way you use the portable packages is pretty neat. So first thing I will just go ahead and do is just move the whole folder to OPT folder that we just discussed. So ALTF2 rocks OPT. So here's OPT folder, and then we're just gonna grab this and then move it over here and move. So this we'll just go ahead and remove the other Firefox. Now once you click in the Firefox Portable 64, you get several helpful menu. So right now, once you move it and so on, it doesn't know that there is regular Firefox Portable that's installed. So you can create a menu, add menu, just click on it, and then hopefully that let's just check internet, and here's a Firefox Portable, so that's good. So you can use the menu, but the real binary that you want to click on is launch. So this will launch, just left click will launch a we'll do it again. We'll just go ahead and single left click, and then it doesn't start. So now what we can do is try internet, and let's see if it starts from here. So it also doesn't start. In a situation like this, what I would recommend is go ahead and open this up in a terminal, and then F4 is so we've opened up a terminal, and we have a OPT folder and a portable folder. So what I can do is go ahead and period slash and then launch, LAUN, and then tab, and then it should start. If it's or you get a warning, or you need something so you need a file no file or direct, so these files are needed. So what we can do now is go to ppm puppy package manager, or this is vanilla depup, so we want to go to synaptic. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and reload. And then these are the files that we may need. So we can go ahead and click on this with a left mouse drag. Leave, okay, and then come here, search and middle mouse click, and let's see if this something shows up or not. There is no such a file that from here. And then let's go ahead and try this. So search. So let's go ahead and left mouse drag and then search. So there's nothing there. What sometimes you can do is just go ahead and shorten it and see if anything pops up, and you're getting some hits now. So bin you want to stay away, doc you want to stay, or dv you want to stay away. So this is the package that we want to install, and we'll just go ahead and apply, and then apply, and then close, and then close, and then we'll go ahead and try it again, launch. Now you see that it actually opens portable. So that's how you can go ahead and troubleshoot. So this portable works. So Facebook, let's say. So you can see that this works clearly better than the first Firefox that we installed. So this is a fully working portable Firefox that we've been able to troubleshoot and then get it working. So let's go to the we'll just close everything so we know that works, and let's go to the another method. So sometimes you can find a SFS file depending on PuppyLInux you're on. So sometimes you can go ahead and get into the setup package manager, SFS load. Sometimes we can just go ahead and click on it, which so it says it wants to Firefox SFS. It's expecting Firefox SFS to be already downloaded. We don't have it, so let's see if there's any other way. Set synaptic, we went through that already. Network, okay, internet. So sometimes there is a get browser tab, so it also lets you go ahead and download SFS Firefox. But in this case, the vanilla depup portable 64 is the way to go. So and there is a fifth way, but this is I think slightly outdated, but let me just show you. So we'll just go ahead and copy this, and then we'll go to the Firefox. I'm not sure exactly, so that's not gonna. So there should be a one on the menu. So we'll open up the Firefox-portable this way. So it's not opening because it probably needs to be rebooted. So given that, we'll just go ahead and altf2 rocks opt, and then here's we can go ahead and launch it again like this. Okay, and then don't show this message again. Now I'm gonna show you the other way. Control V. So here is, I'm gonna give you these links in the description, but I know it's hard to see. Let me see if we can make it bigger. So there's a whole bunch of packages. So depending on exactly PuppyLInux you're on, you may be able to, there's vanilla depup. It's probably not here. So, and you can check then pet packages common 64, so you can go ahead and click on that, and let's see if there is any Firefox. There's no Firefox. So is there any other Vivaldi or other Chromium? So we can just go ahead and back out of that, control back back arrow, and then let's say if you're on Pup 64, you can go ahead and click on it, and then there is a Chromium. There is a Chromium that's available. So that's a browser also. Is there Firefox? Firefox is also available. So these are very easy. This isn't this is not Pup 64, but you can just click on it and download it. And normally with pet files is super easy, in that all you need to do is, let's just go ahead and close, and we'll go to the downloads folder, and here it is. We just downloaded the pet. All you need to do is just click on it and it installs. So do you want to install this package? Yes. And then it should be available in the menu for you to use the Firefox. But this is not going to work here because this is pet file. This particular pet file is for Pup 64 PuppyLInux. So I think is okay. I think the yeah, I covered it pretty much all now. So you can always get more information from PuppyLInux forum. Again,